In this video, we are going to talk about the atomic mass. First, we start by the relative mass. We know that elements or atoms of different elements, let's say element 1 and element 2, their masses, for example m1 and mass m2, are different. So m1, the mass of the element 1, is different from the mass of the atoms of the element 2. And early work on the separation of water into its constituents, that are the hydrogen and oxygen, indicated that for 100 grams of water there are 11.1 grams of hydrogen and 88.9 grams of oxygen. And later it was discovered that water is composed of 2 atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Therefore, there were twice as many atoms. So in 11.1 grams of hydrogen, there were twice as many atoms as in the 88.9 grams of oxygen for one atom. And here we have 2 atoms. So if we calculate the ratio of the oxygen over the hydrogen, we get a number of 16. However, atoms are much too small to be measured, or the mass of atom is very, very small to be measured with accuracy. Therefore, there is no convenient way to measure accurately the absolute mass. So the absolute mass of any atom cannot be measured with accuracy. Therefore, we talk about a relative mass. A relative mass is more convenient to be measured with accuracy. So the relative mass is a reference unit when we deal with small numbers. So here the relative mass that is chosen is the AMU, which stands for atomic mass unit. And this atomic mass unit was standardized against the isotope of carbon-12. So the carbon-12 was used as a reference to determine this relative mass. And the atomic mass unit of carbon-12 is equal to 12 AMU. So when atomic mass unit is equal in grams to 1.6605 times 10 to the power of minus 24 grams, and conversely 1 gram in atomic mass unit is equal to 6.22 times 10 to the power of 23 AMU. Therefore, the mass of hydrogen, the isotope hydrogen 1, is equal to 1.008 AMU, and the atomic mass of oxygen 16 is 15.995 AMU. So here we can notice that the atomic mass of oxygen is not equal to 16, as we previously determined it. Why it is not equal to 16, we'll talk about it later.